Here's a quick video just showing I'm testing these two fire alarms with real smoke on a barbecue. So this one works. It's very loud, so be careful. There we are. Right, I'm going to take that out now. Put it under barbecue smoke. Here we are, barbecue smoke. Put it in the way. Hopefully it'll go off. There we are. Ooh. Right, the one that I just tested was the first alert battery operating. There it is, and I'll show you the hallway. That's a mains branded one. Then we have one upstairs. I'm not going to show you the inside. There we go. There's your sounder, detector, battery, testing. Yeah, that's it. I'm now going to test this photonic one, which I got it from somewhere. Which I don't know what type it is, but it's a fire safe one. You can see that. So yeah, I'll test that. I'm going to pause it so I can put the battery. Here we are. I've got this one going now. So just to prove to you it works. There we are. And I'm now going to take it out into the smoke so you can see. If any of you know what this the cable just there is, it's got two pins. That one here has them. So yeah, if you know what that is, please let me know.